In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send disappearing photos on WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then get in a conversation. You would like to send disappearing photo to. I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself. Then we need to pick out a photo to send. To do that, tap Add to that plus select Photo and Video Library. It will be taken to your camera roll. And from here, you can select any picture just by tapping on it. And on that step, we need to switch it to disappearing photo. To do that, we need to tap right here at that icon. When you just to tap it once, it says photo set to view once. And then if we send this photo to our conversation, it will be available to you for the recipient just once. To increase your privacy, this photo cannot be copied, forwarded, shared, and so on.